In today's video, we're going to be working on this dryer. Here, we're setting our timer to the on position. Here I have the door open. I'm going to hold the door switch in. With my other hand, I'm going to push the start button. And you can hear right now the motor is running, but the drum itself is not rotating. Unplug the power. Once you remove these two screws, this will allow you to remove the top panel of the dryer. You can see here the belt is loose around the drum. Here we have to remove these two screws that secure to each side of the frame of the dryer. Once we remove these two screws, we can remove the front panel. Here, when you inspect the bottom portion, this is the motor in the back. You see the drum is just hanging there. This is the roller that it would wrap around. And you can see that the roller just popped out of place, so we'll have to re-secure it. We reinserted our roller guide into the slots. Here we're just gonna test it. You can see that we have proper rotation and there are no issues. The drum is rotating. Resecure your front panel using those two screws that we removed. Plug in your power supply to your dryer. Now we're going to test our dryer. We're going to push start and you could hear the drum rotating properly. This video was a help. If it was informational, please subscribe.